Step into a village of boundless possibilities, where your dream of owning a beautiful home becomes an exciting reality. Picture yourself waking up to this charming, complete finished home that is only 5 minutes away from SM Tansa. A place where your aspirations take shape and your journey towards home ownership finds its perfect beginning. Welcome to Astrid Model here in Neoville Townhomes in Tanza, Cavite. Welcome back to my YouTube channel mga kabahay. This is Leslie Lazarte, a licensed real estate broker based in Cavite. And welcome to your new home. Join me today as we explore this best-selling property in Tanza, Cavite, the Neoville Townhomes. Here in Neoville Townhomes, we offer Astrid Model. Astrid Model is a 2-story complete finished townhouse that is available through Pag-ibig Financing. So very affordable at sulit talaga. Tara, pasukin natin. Three reasons bakit maganda dito sa Neoville Townhomes. First, strategic location. Neoville Townhomes is located in Barangay Sanja Mayor in Tanza, Cavite. We are only 2 kilometers away from SM Tansa. So napakalapit lang po natin. That's around 5 minutes drive or travel from SM Tansa. And not only that, Neoville Townhomes is located along the main road. Hindi po tayo pasukin at napakalapit din po natin sa simbahan, sa hospitals, sa schools at sa mga iba't ibang supermarkets. Second reason, sulit kapag complete finish. Astrid Model here in Neoville Townhomes comes in complete finish. The tiles kasama na sa flooring, the rooms have partition, our carport is cemented at kasama na rin ang bakod. And not only that, the balcony is already inclusive or included. Di ba napakaganda? Ito yung tinatawag natin na gamit na lang, malilipatan mo na ang bahay. Third and last reason, it's available through Pag-ibig Financing. A lot of home buyers are looking for a property or project that they can use their Pag-ibig membership. And this Astrid Model in Neoville Townhomes is definitely a top choice. Through Pag-ibig Financing, this Astrid Model is as low as 17,000 pesos per month for 30 years to pay. Imagine, napakamura po niya for a complete finished townhouse. So what are you waiting for? Magpa-tripping na po kayo at kumuha na kayo bago kayo maubusan ng Astrid Model. Before we begin the house tour, if bago pa lang kayo sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and i-click mo na din ang notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So behind me, this is the actual turnover of Astrid Model here in Neoville Townhomes. Astrid Model is a 2-story townhouse. So as you can see, it comes in complete finish. So this is a townhouse model. So basically, you have the inner lot and you have the end unit. So for the inner lot, pag-usapan muna natin ng ating inner lot. The inner lot has a lot area of 52 square meters. Ang inyo pong 52 square meters, meron po itong frontage na 4 meters. So ang property line po ninyo would be from here, yan, mula po sa pader na to hanggang dito. This is your 4 meters. At yung lot depth or yung lalim po ng lote, meron po itong 13 meters na lot depth. So you have a total lot area of 52 square meters. Ang bahay naman po, yung ating floor area, it has a floor area of 60.40 square meters. Kung isasama po natin yung ating carport, meron na po itong total improved area na 90 square meters. Ang Astrid model po ay merong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a provision for 1 carport, and meron po itong laundry and service area. So this is the actual turnover of Astrid model and unit. Meron po itong typical lot area na 78 square meters and your lot frontage is 6 meters. Ang property line po ninyo ay magsisimula po dito sa ating fence, sa ating bakod, and hanggang dito. So napakaganda po ng bahay dahil complete finish na talaga siya. The floor area is 73.80 square meters and it has a total improved area of 126.60 square meters. Kapag sinabi po nating total improved area, kasama na po yung ating carport. So if you will get this Astrid end unit, kasya na po yung 2 kotse. So 2 carport na po tayo, and not only that, the house is already expanded. So mas malaki na ang floor area ng bahay. Pasukin natin ang Astrid model dito sa Newville Townhomes. So this is the typical inner lot, and again we have the end unit. Inner lot mo nang pasukin natin. So pagpasok po ninyo, kasama na po yung ating cement fence, painted cement fence, and you have a cemented carport. Ang lot area ng ating inner lot is 52 square meters with a total improved area of 90 square meters. So, ang lapad po ng ating carport, we have a carport na 4 meters yung kanyang frontage or yung kanyang width, and yung kanyang lalim naman mula doon sa pintuan hanggang sa bukana ng inyong property line, that is 5.4 meters. So, maganda siya kasi pagpasok ninyo sa inyong carport, by the way, kasyang-kasyang SUV dito sa carport ninyo, you have this beautiful landscape garden, pocket garden, na meron kang outlet. So, you have a water faucet outlet, and pagpasok po ninyo sa inyong ground floor, yung ating windows, may kasama na siyang grills. Yan. So, may steel grills tayo. By the way, the color of the house is neutral color. Ano tayo? Contemporary, modern Asian. Fully painted ang ating exterior wall and interior walls, and our roofing is painted long span roofing. For our main door is a metal steel door. Yan. So, bakal po, no? Matibay ang ating main door. Double lock set po tayo. And pasukin natin ang loob. Wow! Diba? Very clean. Yan, napakaaliwalas ng bahay, no? Even if it's a townhouse, you can immediately see na maaliwalas ang loob ng bahay. So, once you enter, you have here your living area. This is your dining, and you have your kitchen. Yung ating floor area is 60.40 square meters. At yung ating ground floor, meron tayong flooring na 40 by 40 ceramic tiles. Yan. So, fully tiled tayo. At yung ating walls sa loob ng bahay is painted finish cream. Yan. Medyo off-white yung color natin. Pero pinturado na po siya. Yung ating ceiling is also complete. Yan. Meron na rin po tayong painted ceiling. And yung mga outlet po natin sa ground floor at sa second floor are already included. So, pasukin natin ang bahay. Yeah. So, this is your dining area, and over here is your stairs going to the second floor. Ngayon, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng tip, mga kabahay, no? Kung ayaw ninyo nakikita yung hagdanan, pwede mo actually palagyan to ng hardy flex, no? Pwede mo palagyan ng wall, para yung TV, pwede mong i-mount dito yung TV. And yung ilalim, pwede mo siyang gawing storage. Okay? So, for the dining area, yan. And you have your kitchen. Let's go and check out the kitchen. Yan. Very nice yung ating kitchen because it comes in complete. So, yung ating kitchen countertop, we have acrylic, no? Kitchen countertop, full slab acrylic to, and you have your outlet over here, and meron kang stainless sink and faucet. Yan. So, may gooseneck faucet na rin tayo. And our windows, by the way, You have your back window, yung para sa kitchen, and you have your front window. Our windows are aluminum coated sliding window. So powder coated sliding window tayo. Now going back to your kitchen, sa cabinet kitchen kasama kitchen cabinets, these are already the actual turnover, no? Napakaganda kasi konti na lang talaga yung idadagdag mo kung sakali, no? Kung gusto mong palagyan ng mga cabinets sa taas para space saving, pwedeng-pwede. Dito pwede mong palagyan ng refrigerator. Okay? So this Astrid model is perfect for a small and starting family or sa mga family of 3 to 5 household, no? Ayan, yan yung mga cabinet po natin sa baba. Ganda-ganda po kasi very neutral yung color ng ating cabinets. Ang ganda, ang linis niya po tingnan. So again, that is the main door. This is your living area. And let's go and check out the toilet and bath on the ground floor. Yan. So our toilet and bath comes in complete finish. Yan. So you have your 30 by 30 ceramic tiles. At maganda yung tiles natin sa wall because sa may dry area, yan, hanggang bewang, and sa shower area, mas mataas. So maganda. And meron na rin siyang exhaust, no? So may ano na siya, may bintana ka, at yung mga socket for the lights are included. Yan. This shower is included, comes in complete finish yung ating toilet and bath. Yan, may telephone line shower tayo. And you have your toilet bowl na mayroong bidet. Take note, may bidet sa shawl. And you have here your sink na meron siyang hanging or mounted na cabinet sa ilalim. Very nice, very cute yung design niya. And take note, sa ating toilet and bath, may nakaabang na rin tayong outlet. I think this is for the blower, no? Or kung gusto mo palagyan ng heater, pwedeng mag-access dito yung linya na para sa heater. So this is your ground floor toilet and bath for Astrid model. Ayan. So nagustuhan ko rin, by the way guys, no, take note, dalawa yung floor drain natin. Tapos dito, medyo elevated tong area na to kasi yung tubig, para hindi mag-overflow, no? Ang ganda kasi dalawa na yung floor drain. Meron kasing iba na iisa lang yung floor drain. So parang pag naglinis ka dito, nahihirapan kang maglinis, patuyuin siya, no? Yun lang, share ko lang. Char! Moving forward with our house tour of Astrid model, meron po tayong hagdanan, yung ating stairs. It's made of metal and wooden threads. So, bakal po yung ating structure for the stairs. And meron po tayong apakan. Kahoy naman po yung ating mga apakan. So, makakapal po yung mga bakal po niya, no? Take note, makakapal yung ating mga bakal. Very sturdy yung bahay. Hindi siya yung parang umaalog, hindi po, makapal. And for our flooring, yan, makapal yung ating slab for the second floor. Yan. So, malaki po yung bahay, no? And I like na complete finish po tayo. You have here your vinyl planks for the flooring ng second floor, and you have a very nice hallway. Yan. So, maluwag po yung hallway natin. It's about 1.5 meters. And this is your master's bedroom. You have your bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. So, pasukin muna natin bedroom number 1. Ayan. So, each bedroom may kanya-kanyang bintana at complete finish din. Ayan. So, you have your painted walls for the rooms. Then, meron tayong aircon provision. May outlet for the aircon. And meron tayong mga sliding window. Ayan. So, huwag natin buksan. Ayan, pero nabubuksan po yan. So, mayroon tayong dalawang outlet for each bedroom. Kasyang-kasya po dito, by the way, yung ating double bed. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung dressed up model. By the way, may pintuan po ito. May pintuan siya na kahoy. Kasi model house po ito, kaya hindi lang nila nilagay. Moving forward, we have bedroom number 2. Yan. So, malaki din yung bedroom number 2. Pinupost ko po yung mga sukat ng ating mga kwarto sa video. And here, you also have a provision for aircon. A very nice window. Maliwalas na. Malaki po yung mga bintana natin. So, maganda. And you have your 2 outlets over here. Ayan. And ito, parang pwede ka maglagay ng cabinet. So, approve. Ang ganda ng design. And, let's go and check out the master's bedroom. Ayan. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-exciting na moment. No? Wow! Ang laki po ng master's bedroom natin. And can you see this panoramic glass overlooking your balcony? No? Ang ganda po. If you are looking for a modern house, you have to consider this Astrid model. At isa rin po sa maganda dito, yung ating master's bedroom, meron po siyang access sa toilet and bath sa second floor. So, dual access po yung toilet natin. Mamaya papasukin natin yan. Dito muna tayo sa master's bedroom. So, you can put here a queen size na bed or even king size, no, kasha. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng mga bedside table and you have this beautiful glass window. Sliding glass window overlooking your balcony. At ang ganda rin po kasi yung pintuan mo, glass din. Ang aliwalas po ng loob ng kwarto, no? Actually, townhouse ito, pero hindi mo mafe-feel na parang kulob ka kasi ang lalaki ng bintana. So, tingnan natin yung balcony. Wow! So, here, you have a complete balcony na may kasama na po siyang tiles and metal yung ating railing sa balcony. Ang sukat ng ating balcony is 1.2 meters. So, napakalaki. Pwede ka maglagay dito actually ng coffee table. So, cute siya, no? Pag gusto mong mag-relax, unwind ng asawa mo, di ba? Mag-coffee kayo dyan. Tingnan-tingnan nyo yung mga kapitbahay. O, di ba? Social. Ang ganda. So, tingnan naman natin yung ating end unit for Astrid model. So, pasukin natin. Wow! Look at that. It's very, very beautiful. Very nice. So, ito yung magiging living area mo. And you have your dining. Nakasya yung 4-seater. You have your kitchen. And like I said, yung TV pwede mong i-mount dito sa wall. Yan. And, pakita ko yung ating likuran, no? Kasi kanina nakalock yung door. So, this is Astrid. Yan. Ito pa yung laundry and service area niya sa likod. 2 meters po yung sukat nito. Yan. So, cemented naman siya. Pwede nyo itong palagyan ng bubong. Okay. So, ang ganda po ng ginawa po niya sa likuran. Itong dressed up. I like it. Yan. Tingnan natin yung second floor. Yan. Very nice. No? They put some wallpaper over here. Ang ganda po ng kulay. I like the color. It's very warm. Very cool tingnan sa mata. Yan. Ang ganda-ganda rin po ng flooring nila. It's like a white oak. Ang mga team bahay na buhay. Yan. So, ang ganda-ganda. This is bedroom number 1. Yan. Like I said, you can put a single bed. Ang ganda. Nagawa nila ng cute, diba? Cozy. And you have this bedroom number 2. Yan. Very nice. Kung may mga anak po kayo, pwede sa kanila itong 2 kwarto na to. Saktong-sakto. And you have here your masters. Oh, wow. Look at this beautiful master's bedroom. If hindi ka pa mapapabili, ewan ko na lang. Ang ganda. Queen size, complete. And you have this beautiful balcony. I love this balcony. Look at that, diba? So beautiful. Like I said, you can put a coffee table. Yan. So, kung ano pang hinihintay ninyo, di ba? Huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Mag-inquire na po kayo at magpa-schedule na kayo ng tripping before maubusan ng bahay dito sa Astrid model.